Welcome to our channel. Resetting your Samsung Smart Hub can resolve app issues, performance problems, and restore default settings. Follow these steps to perform a complete Smart Hub reset. Step 1. Press the home button on your Samsung TV remote to access the main menu and Smart Hub interface. Step 2. Navigate to settings using the arrow keys on your remote. Then scroll down to support or system options. Step 3. Select self-diagnosis or device care from the support menu to access troubleshooting and reset options. Step 4. Choose Reset Smart Hub from the available options. This will remove all downloaded apps and restore Smart Hub to factory defaults. Step 5. Enter your TV PIN when prompted. The default PIN is usually 0000, but enter your custom PIN if you changed it previously. Step 6. Confirm the reset by selecting Reset or Yes when the warning message appears about deleting all Smart Hub data and settings. Step 7. Wait for the reset process to complete. Your TV will restart automatically and Smart Hub will be restored to its original state. Step 8. After restarting, set up Smart Hub again by accepting terms and conditions. Then reinstall any apps you want to use on your TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.